Hi, everybody. This is the investing teacher, high school science teacher, teaching others how to invest. Got my fun Saturday shirt on. Science, it's a magic that works. Just want to do a quick update on the 0DTE for the week. I had 5 for 5, all winning trades. Got in and out relatively quickly on most days. Just want to show you what the strikes were, where the stock ended up, and SPX and SPY, and how this might help you guys in your trading. As always, like, subscribe, share it with others, and let's get right to it. All right, everybody. So looking at the 5 trades for 0DTE, starting on Monday, did a call credit spread. The stock price is 424 and change. Decides to go all the way up to a 430, so that's 435 call put credit spread. Delta was 0.06, relatively low VIX. We were able to receive $11 in premium when we started the trade, closed it at $5. So that ends up being a 0.68% return. That only happened in about 2 hours. And you can see the win rate as I've been going throughout the year here, 106 over 119, which is 89% win rate. Tuesday, we did an iron condor on SPX. This one uses a 10 width spread, so you're looking at $1,000 in buying power needed. For this one, we did receive $70 in premium, pretty high premium for it. Able to buy to close it at $40. When you include commissions, it's a 2% gain. Then we look at Wednesday, had another call credit spread. Market was looking slightly downward, so we went to a 432, 437 call. Received $8 in premium. We'll have to close it at $3. Happened in about, again, 2 hours. Made your 0.5% return. Thursday was a good day as well with SPX, 4287. We went all the way down to 4220 on the put side, 4325 on the call side. Received $80 in premium. We'll have to close it at $55 in about an hour and a half. It was a good return of a 1.5% return. And then Friday was another quick one. Stock at 423 and change. Went up to the 430, 435 strike. Notice how all these strike prices are pretty far away from the money. Very high probability trades here to earn, in this case, a 0.68% return. So overall, very good week. Started right before at $1,068.76. That's if you were doing one contract every day. And we built it up to $1,113. So a nice little $55 gain in the week using just $500. So looking at close to a 10% return for the week. Obviously, this is scalable, so if you have more than $500 to trade, you could easily be trading multiple contracts. There's a lot of volume and open interest in these trades. So again, overall, very good week on the 0DTE strategy. 5 for 5 in wins. I'll take that every day of the week and Sunday twice. If you're interested in seeing these recommendations daily, have a private Discord, have one-on-one chat with me and with other like-minded option sellers, consider joining thetatraders.com. There's a link in the description down below. You get a free 7-day trial to test run it out. And we also do longer dated trades, like 30 to 45 days out, on cash secured puts and credit spreads and some future trades. So everyone, the investing teacher, high school science teacher, teaching others how to invest. Thanks for watching and have a good weekend.